Hi everyone, welcome to Trading in Zones. Today we are announcing our new training starting June 10th, which is in about 10 to 15 days from today. So, this is a great opportunity for all of you to get equipped to trade stock markets and become efficient as technical traders. What we are doing different this time is that we are trying to make this training program affordable and also more reachable to a larger audience, because these training programs were slightly expensive for the kind of effort which we used to put in, but based on the feedback and requests by multiple people, we have kind of split this into three parts so that people can choose what they want and accordingly take a decision. So the first part of the training is basics of stock market. So you kind of learn the technical nuances, price action, what makes sense, basic indicator usage in terms of moving average, MACD, RSI. This is more than the basics if you see, because most of them wouldn't even get into giving you a market understanding when compared to the way which we do. This is something which we think is part of trading and one should know. We do cover swing trades as well as part of the basic. The second part is the intermediate training, where we are adding on to the basics course. We show you how everything stitches together when it's moving. So it's very important to understand the difference between a surgeon who's operating a heart of a person who's alive and a mechanic who opens a turned off engine. So both of them are doing something very significant here, but doing it live when the market is moving is something which is a different ball game altogether. So if you're struggling and trying to understand when to enter, when to exit, when to take a decision, this is a great program which will help you crack the code and understand and answer your questions on what you have been struggling all this while. We also add the flavor of commodities and what commodities market is all about, and this is slightly charged higher for the kind of effort what we put in, and also the course duration would be longer by at least 3 to 4 days, because the market observations are going to take time, and we will also do a small review session for all of you for free. Alright, so this is a great opportunity. For just 10k you get to learn all the basics and also make market observations, and you can see all the fantastic feedbacks what we have received all this while for market observation in our Discord channel. The last but not the least, a full course meal, as what we call an advanced training session, where we cover the basics, intermediate, and we move into things like F&O, market profile, volume profile, live trading. Get the adrenaline rush and see how to manage them, how to manage risk, how to trail your stop losses. You're doing great, you're in profits, but you're not able to maximize. You're not able to get your analysis to work, but we kind of mentor you, we support you, we share our research and analysis, and the support kind of continues forward. And you can see a lot of analysis what we have been doing, a lot of research what we have been doing has helped a lot of them. In fact, some of the trainees and mentees who joined us, even before they completed the training program, they were able to cover all the costs of the training program just by some of the research and analysis what we provided in the group. I have a great set of my friends who are also part of these Discord channels, who provide a lot more information and they support all the trainees who I have. Alright, so this is a great program. This is just at a slightly higher cost at around 15k, which is pretty affordable for most of you who are already in that level and who already know what stock markets are and who already are trading stock markets. So this is just going to take you to the next level, help you reach and maximize your potential. I hope you'll choose the right program for yourself and make the most of the training program what we are offering. I look forward to interacting with all of you. The links for payments are provided below. You can choose the link based on the program what you choose, make a payment. You'll receive a webinar invite 2 days before. All these training sessions are recorded and all the recordings will be available for you for lifetime. For any questions and queries, you can reach us at tradinginzones.com. I'm going to leave the email address in the description with all the other links. If you have any doubts or questions, you feel free to reach us. All right, have a fantastic weekend.